What the hell is wrong with you? Yeah, tell me. Tell me. 116? Oh, shut up. Yeah. Are you sick? Yeah, I have the sniffle. Achoo. Ew, get away from me. I don't want to catch your germs. Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't want to get sick. Yeah, you know what? Get away from us. Oh, God. Hope I can do better. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, you're sick. Get better. Chew. I'm sorry, I'm not a doctor, but just wait a few days. You'll be fine. Oh, God. Thanks for watching JTP Mini Movie. Bye.